Hello and welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to bring your design idea page to your Shopify main menu. So as you can see in this sample store, there are two options in the main menu, home and catalog. So we need to bring the design idea page as one of the options in the main menu here. So let's begin. First, go to your online store, then click on Customize. And here, in the header section, click on Edit menu. Now, in this section, click on Add menu item. Name your design idea. It can be any name according to your preference. And then click on the link. Click on Pages and click the design idea page. Then click Add and save it. Now if you go to your store and refresh the page, you can see the design idea has been added as an option in the main menu. Have a nice day.